I work out 6 days a week. It's not for myself, but for my team and the patients I work with. It is part of the job, it is part of the healing, and I gotta have a hand in it at least 10 times a day. And as of now, Hercules has arrived, and he's taking my joy away. Those 10 calls a day gave me a huge validation. It's been taken away from me by a machine. Most of my friends keep telling me, no thanks, I don't need any help, and that breaks my heart. Now I have to adapt, and I have to definitely find a new way to help my team. Maybe this is better. The best way to be strong for my team is for them to be strong for themselves.